Abigail Steel, the author of Rocket Phonics. Today we're here at Victoria Primary Academy in Leeds, and we're going to film you some demo lessons so you can get a feel of what it looks like to teach Rocket Phonics. To give you some context, we haven't set this up. This is really authentic footage. I haven't met these children before, and we're quite early in the year. We're in about week 7. So what you're going to see is going to be very real and very raw, and I really want you to notice that actually. I want you to notice the way that the teacher has to respond to what's going on in the classroom situation in order to manage the children and tailor the teaching for exactly what they need next. In this lesson, I teach the segmenting lesson of the E sound to reception children. So we are going to do some more phonics, and you have been learning about E as in elephant. So today is our segmenting lesson, so we're going to practice some of our segmenting skills and our writing skills. The first thing we need to do is revisit and review and check to see what we can remember. So we're going to do a little activity, writing the letters in the air. So what I need you to do is stand up. Everybody stand up. Really nice and smart and still and straight like this. And then I need to see your finger in the air that is the hand that you tend to write with. Finger in the air of the hand that you tend to write with. Hand nice and straight up in the air so I can see that you're ready. Turn it around this way, turn it around this way. Hands up in the air, ready to write your letter shapes. Hand up in the air, everybody hand up in the air. Hand up in the air, ready to write your letter shapes. Okay, if you need help, you've got your wall freeze that you can look at, and we've actually put a sounds mat on the board. You can look at that to remind you of the shape. Let's see then who knows how to form the letter for the sound A. Really good and careful. Let me see you form the shape for S. Let me see you form the shape for the K as in cat. The K as in cat. Well done. Let me see you form the shape for N. N as in net. N. So down, up and over and down the side. Well done. Let me see you form the shape for T. T as in tap. So we start up tall, down and curl under, and across. Absolutely brilliant. Everybody check that your pen is working nicely and show me a letter shape. Any letter shape that you choose, show me a letter shape. Perfect, perfect. Right, rub them off. Put the pen down. Put the pen down. Beautiful sitting, well done. How smart. Everybody, board down. Well done, you're listening. Well done, brilliant. Board down, pen down, well done. Right, clear off your boards. I want them completely clear. Completely clear. Right, we are going to play a little game. I am going to call out the sound and I want you to write the shape and hold it up and show me the shape. Do you think you can do it?
Yeah.
It's quite tricky. Are you sure? You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Should we give it a try?
Yeah.
If you get it wrong, don't worry because we're only learning, and I'll do some shapes on the board and help you as well. Right, everybody on your board then, everybody show me O. Who can do O? O and hold it up. Better than mine. Brilliant. Fantastic. Everybody O and show me. Fantastic. Right, next letter. We go quick. We go quick with this, okay? Are you ready? The next one. Everybody show me. I as in insect.
Oh, I can do it.
I as in insect. Show me I. Brilliant, brilliant. Brilliant. Well done. I can't believe this. Okay, you're not going to be able to do this one, are you? Ready, listen. Everybody show me T as in tap. T as in tap. I think your letters are better than mine. Amazing. That's it when you've done T. Wow. Brilliant. Okay, next one. Next one. Show me. This is really tricky. Ready for the challenge?
No,
S as in sun. S as in sun. Fantastic. You need to look at which way round it goes. But S. Brilliant. Right, hands on your lap. You need your left hand. It is the one on this side. This hand on this side. Wave at the front. Wave at the front. Wave at your face. It is this hand on this side. And when you've got your left hand, you need to put it in front of you like this. And put your thumb and fingers down like this. Now we're going to play a little game. I'm going to tell you a word and you're going to help me count how many sounds can you hear in the word. We're going to count them on our thumb and our fingers. But you've got to have your hand ready. So left hand, left hand, left hand. This side, well done, well done. This hand, good. This hand, left hand, right. Palm facing, thumb and fingers down like this. The first word is pet. Pet. So in pet, we can hear, we're not writing, we're counting how many sounds. We're going to count how many. So we've got p, ch. How many sounds did you hear?
3.
Brilliant. Thumb and fingers down again. Ready? Left hand. Thumb and fingers down, facing you like this. The word is tap.
Oh, I can't tap.
How many sounds? 3 sounds in tap as well. Goodness me. Right. Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
The word is... Are you listening? The word is peck. Peck, like a bird might peck, peck, peck. Ready? Peck. What can we hear? How many sounds?
3.
3 sounds in peck. Really good listening and thinking about breaking the words up. Let's look at doing some words then with our new sound, with our in. But we've got to learn to practice first. We've got to practice what an looks like. It's a bit tricky. So, are you ready? Pens at the ready? Boards at the ready? When we form an we form it like this. This is really important. You have to pay careful attention. Okay? We look where the line is, and we're not going to start on the line. We're not going to start way up at the top. We're going to find a little space in the middle, just a little bit above, kind of in the middle here. And we're going to go across to the right and then all the way round like a k as in cat. So it looks a bit like k as in cat, but first we do the line going amazing. Have a little try. Find the spot in the middle, go across and then all the way round like a k as in cat.